Greetings from Thailand, although not so sunny today as it rained all night, leaving it cloudy but warm outside. Today is Monday, September 2nd, and we present our latest video report on the construction of our 11th project, Siam Oriental Dream. Construction is progressing rapidly, even slightly ahead of schedule. The facade has been completed up to the 6th floor. On the 6th floor, tiles are being laid on the bathroom floors and walls. Ceiling work on the 3rd floor is already finished. Window installation will begin soon. Here's a look at a combined apartment where 2 studios were joined into one. If you dream of owning a Pattaya apartment or have any questions about Thai real estate, feel free to contact us. We're happy to answer all your inquiries and will continue to update you on our construction progress.